Hey guys, welcome back. The wait is over now. The long awaited iPhone SE 2020 is finally here, and here is the first and official look of iPhone SE 2020. First of all, talking about design, at the front you are getting a 4.7-inch Retina HD display which is paired with a Touch ID, and the design of iPhone SE is pretty much similar to iPhone 8. And now looking at the back of iPhone SE, it comes with single 12 megapixel f1.8 aperture wide angle camera, and this single camera can shoot 4K up to 60 frames per second. Now talking about colors of iPhone SE, it comes with black, white and product red. And all these colors are very amazing, especially the product red. Now talking about the heart of iPhone SE, it comes with Apple's latest A13 chipset, which is already in Apple's iPhone 11 series. And this chipset makes this smartphone one of the best mid-range smartphone in 2020. The phone is also IP67 rated, that means phone is dust and water resistant. And the phone supports wireless charging, fast charging, that means you can charge 50% of your battery in just 30 minutes. And now talking about the storage and RAM, the phone is coming with 3GB of RAM, 64GB, 128GB and 256GB of internal storage. And now looking at the pricing, before rumors claim that the phone will cost you around $399 for the base models, and that's true, the base model of the phone starts from $399. And now talking about availabilities, you can pre-order the smartphone from Friday, April 17, starting at just $399. And that's it guys, this is a pretty good deal for a powerful phone with Apple's latest A13 chipset. If you are using any iPhone below iPhone X, if you want to upgrade your smartphone, this is the iPhone for you guys, where you are getting best specifications, best camera, a very good display, but you have to manage with bezels, and you are also getting fast charging, wireless charging, and in the box you will get 5-watt charger. That's it for today's guys. Tell me your thoughts about this smartphone in the comment section. Are you going to buy this smartphone or not? Hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.